Good morning. Today I want to talk to you about dystonias and the botulinum toxin injections for the dystonias. So let's talk about first what is dystonia. Dystonia is basically a disease in which a particular group of muscles can overact or contract more as compared to the other group of muscles. For example, take the example of a hand tremor. So if you're having a hand tremor, it means one group of muscles they are trying to pull towards themselves as compared to the other muscles which were trying to maintain a balance. So that's why you have the tremor. Or in a case of writer's cramp, as you must have heard this name, that when a person is trying to write, the hand takes a particular position and contracts in such a way that writing is distorted. Or take the example of cervical dystonias, in which a patient often feels a spasm in the neck, in which case you feel that something else is pulling the neck towards one side. There are also other examples like hemifacial spasms, in which spasms or muscle contractions on the one side of face is noted, or a case of blepharospasm, in which there is excessive blinking of the face, of the eyes. So all such cases, they are called dystonias, and they have excessive contraction of one group of muscles as compared to the other. So the basic treatment in which we follow in these dystonias is either medications which can help relaxing the muscles or calming down the tone of the muscles, or the other thing is botulinum toxin. Today we're going to talk about botulinum toxin in dystonias. So the botulinum toxin is a very safe treatment in dystonias. How does it work? It basically weakens the muscle which is overacting or overcontracting. So by weakness I mean it weakens it exactly as much as required, not much that it causes weakness in the whole group of muscles. So we take the help of EMG guidance, which is electromyography, which basically helps us to know that which muscle is the main muscle causing the overaction or overcontraction for a particular group of muscles. So by injecting an EMG needle in the group of muscles which are acting more, we can check that and select the muscle to be injected. Once we have selected the muscles through the EMG needle, we can give injection in the particular muscle. By giving injection, we try to balance the action of the muscles so that our group of muscle which is overly acting should be equal to the other group of muscles which is normal. So the overcontraction is balanced by weakening it, by giving the injection. It's a very safe method. There are no side effects as per se. There are no systemic side effects as we note in other medications which we take orally. The only side effect that can be noted is sometimes the weakness may be a bit more if the injection is not given in a particular selected muscle, or injection is given in a heavier dose. Even if there is a side effect, the weakness is a side effect, it goes away in 2 or 3 weeks. Because this treatment is a temporary treatment, it basically stays for a few months and then the injections need to be repeated. So if there is any side effect of the same, that will also fade away with the injection dosage. Botulinum toxin is a very safe treatment for dystonias, which are very painful contractions for few people, and it's a debilitating disease to go in a regular life. For example, patients who are musicians and who are bankers, they have to do a lot of writing. Writer's cramp or musician's dystonia is a very debilitating disease. Also, you must have seen many people, elderly people with a lot of tremors, difficult to hold a cup of the tea or difficult to hold anything in the hand or have their own meals is a very debilitating thing at the same time. So I would suggest please contact us for your dystonias, and we can advise you accordingly if we can help you with botulinum toxin. I'm sharing a video here in the next segment in which I'll be showing you how we give EMG guided botulinum toxin for dystonias. Thank you and keep watching.